Oh yeah! Oh yeah! God, Samaland! God, Samaland! Why did you let this befall me? You know that I am innocent of this accusation. God, Samaland! This land shall know no peace. May the goddess of Nigerian avenge my blood on the land of Amokwe. Avenge my blood! Avenge my blood! Avenge my blood!
That's the genesis of this problem. The goddess of Ngene is avenging the wasting of the innocent blood of Ononye.
So that was how it happened. I knew it. I knew it deep down in my heart that Nonye did not commit that crime. But there was nothing I could do. Ah! As for you, Odioko and Lolo. Odioko and Lolo, you deserve what came after you. And I shall not cry over you. I will not weep over you.
As for two of them,
yes, Westwood,
their bodies will not be buried. They will be thrown into the evil forest where wild birds and ants can feed on them. No burial will be organized for them. That's the mind of the gods.
Well, very well, wise one. But now that we have known what this curse is, what may we do? What may we do to appease the goddess of Ngene and avert any further calamity in our land? You know, yes. What do we do?
Your Highness, your daughters have been chosen to dance before the goddess of Ngene and bring back the cleansing staff.
All they have to do is dance.
That's all.
It is done. It is done. It is done. Well, we know what to do. Hmm? We know what to do.
Your Highness, I was thinking that
Yes, son, what are you thinking about?
We all know that this task is not for the men, but for the women. What if they are free to embark on such a journey?
They are our children. We'll find a way of convincing them.
As a matter of fact, I don't think we should worry about that now. When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it.
Your Highness, I think we should rest so as to gather strength.
That's exactly what I'm going to do.
Right.
Just so tired. I am weak.
We're almost there.
And that's how it happened, my daughters. Your mothers are the reason why Nonye cursed this land. Now, as for them, their corpses will be taken to the evil forest tomorrow.
Father, is their death not enough punishment for them?
Well, we are only working and doing things by the directives of the gods. We dare not challenge them.
That is too bad. So, Father, you said you went to explain something about the destiny of this kingdom that depends on us.
Yes, yes. You will each lead a dance troupe that will appease Ngene in order for him to release the staff which wish to cleanse this land of this terrible curse.
Father, can't you see they want both of us to go there and die? Can't one person embark on this journey?
No, my dear. Your mothers are both involved in the cause for this. So you both must be there.
Father, I'm not going anywhere.
Why not? Amaka, are you happy with the way the things are going so terribly in this land?
Father, it's not as if I am happy, no. But at least one person should embark on this journey. Princess Ugoma should go. After all, she is the first daughter of this kingdom, as you people say. It's not only when it's time to share goodies that she would portray her superiority and supremacy.
Princess Amaka.
Yes, Father.
Now how do you speak of your sister like that?
Oh, Dad, please. Father, just leave her. If she doesn't want to go, I will go.
See, it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. Your mothers are both involved in the reason for this. So you both must be there.
On one condition.
Which is?
Whoever brings back the cleansing staff becomes the sole recipient of the inheritance.
Well, so be it.
Makes it a lot more easier.
Yeah.
Ugoma, how could you agree to such arrangement?
Father, if it's what it takes to cure the people of Amokwe from this generational curse, by putting my position and privileges at stake, so be it.
Oh, God of my ancestors.
Father, would that be all?
Yes, Princess Amaka.
Thank you. Ijoma, you are not just my maid, but my closest friend.
I know that already, my princess.
I want to ask you a question.
About what?
Ijoma, can I trust you?
My princess, you can. I have been with you all these years and you know me so well. I'm sorry if I may ask. Is there any problem?
The position of the true princess is vacant, and you know what that means.
Yes, my princess.
If I finally become the princess of this land, your life and that of your entire family will change for good.
Thank you, my princess.
You will not only see wealth, but experience affluence.
Thank you very much, my princess.
You will become my second in command. If only you remain loyal to me.
My princess, is there anything you want me to do? Just tell me and I will do it.
The die is cast between Ugoma and I. All I want is your undying support.
My princess, you can count on me. I give you my words.
Very well then. I want you to convince all the young girls in this village, especially those who knows how to sing and dance, to join our group.
I will do that, my princess.
That's the spirit. Don't let anyone hear of this discussion.
My princess, I swear with my life, I will never tell anyone about this.
You swear?
Yes, my princess. I do.
You swear? So be it.
Ego, what is it that you want to talk about that you can't talk about it in the open?
My princess, haven't you noticed the way Princess Amaka and Ijoma are going about because of this tax? Assembling good dancers and singers.
What has that got to do with me?
My princess, she's doing everything possible to become the true princess.
I don't care. Listen, if her being the true princess is ordained by the gods, so be it.
My princess, don't tell me that you're not interested of being the true princess. Don't you want to be the one that will appease the gods of Ngene and bring the cleansing staff?
So, what do you want me to do?
My princess, just give me the approval to organize beautiful singers and dancers from this village. Nice ones. Ada, my friend, Princess Ugoma is counting on you after the discussion you had with her.
I know. You know, my love for Princess Ugoma will not allow me to disappoint her.
don't forget to inform others, okay?
Oh, I won't. I'll be going now. Later now.
Ada. Before I forget, our rehearsal is starting next tomorrow.
Oh, I'll be there on time, and you know we are not just doing this for the princess, but for the entire village. So
thanks for understanding, okay?
Problem. Let me run along now.
All right.
See you next tomorrow, right?
See you next tomorrow. Bye.
Nai, I will not allow our daughter to participate in that dance. She will not go there.
Why?
Nai, she is my only daughter. I will not sit here and fold my hands and allow my only child to be used as a bait to solve crisis we did not commit.
Ekema, those other girls that are going for the dance, are they not other people's daughters and children?
Oh, yes they are. But definitely not their only child. Not their only child. Now you have forgotten how we suffered before we gave birth to this girl. Eh? You have suddenly forgotten.
Ekema, she will go, but she will not die. She's not going to die. She will go.
Mama, I really don't know what you're talking about. I'm only going to dance with my friends. See, Mama, I've made up my mind. I'm not going to chicken out now.
My daughter. Obi, my daughter. Don't listen to this rubbish your father is saying. Look, my daughter, the journey is too dangerous.
Yeah.
Obi, the journey is too dangerous. Do you want to die?
I am not going to die, Mama.
Hey, I don't know.
Mama, I am the daughter of a tiger. Tigers and tigresses are not afraid of war.
You can say that again.
Mama, I'll go with them and come back alive. That's right. I've made up my mind.
Obi.
So it is.
Obi. Hey!
Then we might stop, you know. And just do it like this. Okay. Do it like this. Do it like this. Like this.
Yeah, that's a good one.
You know?
A good one, my friend.
Yeah?
Yeah. We're going to get it.
Yes.
Don't worry, we'll get it.
I'm going to thrill my father.
That's a good one.
Yes.
That's a good one.
I called you out of concern. I need to know how far you have gone with your arrangement with your various dance troupes.
Thank you, Father, for your concern. My dance group is doing very well, and I can assure you that they will not disappoint you.
Good, good. Princess Amaka, how about your dance group?
Well, Father, since she says her group is doing well, mine is doing well too. I trust in their different abilities to deliver.
I need not remind you that time is not on our side, and I am praying for you.
Yes, Father. I can also assure you that we'll be done in 4 days.
Good. That's good news. That's good news.
So, Father, please can we now go and rest?
Yes, Princess Amaka. You may go to sleep now.
Good night.
What bothers you, my princess?
There is a problem, Ijoma.
A problem? What's the problem, my princess?
When we had a meeting with the Igwe yesterday, Ugoma sounded so confident with her dance group and their ability. Is there something they have that we don't have?
My princess, please don't let that bother you, because we have the best song and dance group in this village.
Ijoma, I don't want to take chances. I want you to spy on that dance group. If there is anything they have that we don't have, we must know.
Consider it done, my princess.
I must be the true princess of this land. No one will stop that.
You are already my princess. Don't let that bother you.
Oh, wow. I'm all for rehearsals.
Which rehearsals? Obi, you are not going for any rehearsals today. If you insist on joining Princess Ugoma's group, you are not going for any rehearsals.
Why must you do that, Mama?
My daughter, can't you read the handwriting on the wall? Eh? Nothing good comes out from that group. Nothing.
But that's the group I like, Mama. I will dance with them.
Well, whether you like it or not, you must join Princess Amaka's group.
Hey.
I mean, I saw my fellow women that their daughters dance with Princess Amaka's group, flaunting wrappers and jewelries all over the place. Don't you want me to enjoy same?
Hey! Mama, if that's your reason for all this, count me out.
Hey,
I'm up for rehearsals.
Yeah? Obi, you will go and meet me here. Mojo, go and meet me here.
Yeah, you're enjoying it. You can say that again. I feel like life is all about enjoyment. Please, can I have some of your goodies? That's not possible though. Why? My dear, you belong to a different dance group and I belong to a different dance group. Or any people enjoy same in your group? Not at all. Although Princess Ugoma do give us some goodies at times, but she always preaches about patriotism. Oh, being patriotic will put food in your stomach. Before I can come and join us, in fact, I have joined. Are you sure? Can I have some of your ice cream? Okay. Take this one. Hey. Easy. 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 Take it easy. You can have the ice cream. My group is the best group. Any day, anytime. My group. I really enjoy it.
One of the guards told me that Ugoma did not sleep in the palace yesterday.
So, where is she sleeping?
That is not my business. I am suspecting that Their group is in disarray. That alone is affecting Ugoma.
That means we're on top of the game.
By the time I finish unleashing all the plans I have for that group, they will be in shambles.
My princess, what do you intend doing again?
You just watch. Watch and see. I trust you, my princess. You can now go. Thank you, my princess.
Agwai.
Ebuka, thank you so much for coming as promised.
Princess, thank you.
Well, the girls are waiting. Can we go now?
Yes.
Greetings, my princess.
Has she gone?
Yes, my princess. She just left now with Ego.
I want a favor from both of you.
What favor, my princess? Just say it, and it's done.
Both of you are the only people I trust in this palace. Lots of packages awaits the both of you. If only you remain loyal to me.
We are very loyal, my princess.
Very well. I want both of you to go to where they're having their rehearsals and cause confusion. Can I have that?
Consider it done, my princess.
I want it to happen tonight.
We will do just that, my princess.
Okay. You can now go.
Thank you. Thank you, my princess. I know I will see you here, since you intend to address the youth as their president.
This one you're looking for me, I hope all is well. Or did Princess send it to me?
Actually, there's no problem. She did not send me to you. But there's something I want to tell you.
So, what is it?
What I'm about to tell you, do keep it as a secret. And do not allow the princess to feel bad about it.
So, what is it?
Tell Princess Ugoma to be very, very careful. Because Princess Amaka paid us to stay confusion at Ariaza venue tonight.
What? But why would she do a thing like that?
I don't know. And I cannot say what I don't know. Besides, I'm leaving.
Okay. All the same, thanks. Thanks.
Oh no, that's exactly how it is.
Your Highness.
Yes.
How are your daughters preparing for this trip? You know, Yorimile is expecting us in the next 1 week.
You're quite correct. They should be ready in another 2 days.
Your Highness, are you sure? Are you sure of that?
I am sure, no. In 2 days. they'll be ready.
That's all right, if you say so.
Yes, yes. Now, all you have to do is make sure every quarter in this community is well briefed of the happenings.
Your Highness, that I will do.
Good, good.
So how did it go yesterday?
My princess, we got there and we couldn't find them.
What do you mean?
He's right, my princess. When we got there, we couldn't find them. They left or probably changed another venue.
What? You must find them.
We'll monitor them today until we locate their new venue.
Whatever you want to do that fast. Because there is no time. I'm running out of time here.
Yes, yes, princess.
Please don't. Go back to your duty post.
Thank you, my princess.
My princess, what happened? Why is your face like this?
They couldn't find them.
In that their new place? What happened? How come?
I don't know. That's what they told me.
And you believe them? Don't you think one of them must have betrayed us?
Betrayed us?
Yes.
They are our chief informants in this palace. And I show them enough appreciation to the best of my knowledge. So, how could they have betrayed us?
So, how did they got to know about our new plan and escaped? How come?
Honestly, I don't know. I don't even know what to think again. You know what, let's just go in and get dressed. We have to leave today. There's no time. Okay.
Thank you very much, Ibuka. Your encouragement has been very wonderful. I am forever indebted to you.
I am honored, my princess.
Well, I should be on my way now.
My princess, may the God grant you the wisdom and strength to overcome.
Daughter, are you sure you want to embark on this journey?
Yes, Mama.
Hey!
I've told you my heart desire is to be counted among those who use their skills in song and dance to salvage this community.
My child, it's not as easy as you think. I don't want anything to happen to you. Have you forgotten you're all that I've got?
Mama, nothing is going to happen to me. I'll be fine.
Oh my God.
Why are you trying to discourage her? Huh? Allow her to go. She will go and come back. Don't you know that she's courageous, like myself? And she also has a heart like a lioness. She will go and come back.
Mama. Mama, please. I have to go now. Okay?
Hey!
Take good care of yourself for me.
Chimo,
take care of Papa.
Obi.
Okay? Papa, please take care of Mama.
Hey, Obi. Oh my God.
Mother, it's true that they took and abandoned you in the evil forest. I know you can hear me wherever you are. My biography cannot be complete without you because you single-handedly placed me where I am today. I am so grateful to you. I am embarking on this journey because of the encouragement you gave to me when you were alive. I am doing it to please your spirit. Though you are dead, but your spirit still whispers to my ears. to be the woman you want me to be. Let your spirit guide me as I compete with Ugoma.
I can see the preparation is at its peak. And I'm very sure that through the leadership of my daughters, Princess Ugoma and Princess Amaka, the cleansing staff shall return to this village. And it shall be through the result of this that we shall know the sole recipient of the inheritance of my royal kingdom. And whosoever returns among the two daughters victorious shall appoint a man of her choice for a husband. And this man shall become the heir apparent to my throne, as we now have no so apparent to the throne here. May the gods go with you. We are aware of the stress you have been through in preparing for this very important journey. We shall be here. We shall wait for you here and wait for your return. May the gods of our land go with you. May you return victorious. Meanwhile, before you go to the goddess of Ngene, Ono here will take you to the shrine of the great Omiri for further cleansing and purification. We shall wait here for your return.
Princesses, we have to start going. The journey is too far. Let's go. This is the much a vehicle can go. The rest of the journey will be done on foot. Let's go. Orimiri Shrine, the place we have trekked and desired to see all this while.
This is indeed a far journey.
So this is where all of you came to find a cause and solution of the problem.
Orimiri is the greatest Dibia of our time. He dines and wines with the spirits.
Okay, fine. Let's go.
Come here, come back here. He cannot see anybody without being permitted. We are going to stay here until he comes out.
Maidens of Amokwe, welcome, 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 welcome to Orimiri Shrine. Welcome, welcome. 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 Come. Come in. Come. 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 Ladies of Amokwe, you are welcome to Orimiri Shrine. I am Odomagana, Ndidi Kokodegu, Upakana Banu Dumiri, Ochoprajo wine a bedia. Udumina de baby. E guadro, Jeben ebe masilunu. Onwe he merunu. Unemeka malo. Jeben. Hobum. I know you came from a very, very far place. I will begin purification in the night. So you can choose any of the shades here and relax and rest. You are welcome to the shrine. Again, welcome.
Thank you, wise one.
Thank you.
Thank you, wise one.
Thank you.
Let's go there.
Wako simiratu Obum Eja Chacha Ojin kata chumiri Eja Chacha Obanki choku jurono Brave and beautiful daughters of Amokwe, you have been prepared to go and seek the cleansing staff from the goddess of Ngene. The cleansing staff is the staff of life that will destroy the generational curse in the land of Amokwe. It will restore peace, happiness, and progress in the town. There are rules and regulations that will take you to the jungle. Forward ever, backward never. Obey your group leaders. No permanent friends, no permanent enemies in the jungle. Love one another. So follow me as we go. Let's go. Let's go. Woo!
Ada, follow no woman.
These two paths will take you to the river. You, take here. You, take it.
rest here. My princess, do you think we are close to the finish? Just give me water to drink. The water is finished. The journey is long.
Princess Amaka, our water is finished. What do we do?
I'm thirsty. Princess, I just hope we are close. stress you.
I'm fine. We're still very far.
Don't! My princess, let's leave her. That place looks so dangerous. Please.
Oh my God, are we going to survive from this journey? Come, let's run, let's Mama!
Come here.
My princess, please don't. My princess is not real.
Don't go.
She's not real, my princess.
Come here.
My princess. Hey, my princess, please. My princess, don't go. My princess.
That road you're taking will not take you to your destination.
I know that you're not my mother, but I beg you,
Please, lead me to the right path. To the river of Ungene. I beg you.
Take this road to Ungene River and you'll be safe.
Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Thank you. Come, let's go.
This place is airy.
Yeah, my princess. I feel like resting here all day.
Exactly. The environment is so natural and I like it. Yeah, but we have to be very fast before Princess Ugoma and her group gets there before us.
Where do you think you are going?
Your Majesty. Mother. What are you doing here? We are suffering because of you. Because of all the atrocities you people committed.
Do you think you have what it takes to overcome in this journey?
Oh, please, Mother. Just take us to the river of Ungene and stop asking me stupid questions. What's that supposed to mean?
For you to have spoken to me in this manner, I will not allow you to go.
You will not allow me to go? Then who are you to tell me you will not allow me to go?
We are here because of all the atrocities you committed in the village. And you are here telling me you will not allow us to go. Who are you? Please, let's go, girls. Let's go.
You think without you we're not making the way? Who are you? Please.
Hello, sweet and pretty damsels of Amokwe.
Ebuka!
My love.
What are you doing here? My princess, that is not Ebuka. That is a spirit. Yes. My princess, are you blind? Are you blind? My princess, this is Ebuka in flesh and blood. Hey. Oh, no.
My love. Please come. I promise you will like.
Excuse me. No. No, princess, no. Abi! My princess, please. That is not Ebuka. Yes. That is not Ebuka, my princess. Have you forgotten the third rule? In the jungle or battlefield, no permanent friend, no permanent enemy. No. No, my princess. No. Please. Please. Please, princess, please. Yes. Please. Only common interest and purpose. There is no sentiment. My princess, this thing you're seeing as Ebuka is not Ebuka, but an enemy. Yes, yes, please. My princess. You must not go, my princess. Can't you understand? Please, please, please.
Please, for the sake of our love, don't ignore me, please. Come to me.
He's lying! My princess is lying! Please, he's lying, my princess! My princess, please! Please don't go! Hey! Hey!
Don't do this! Please! My princess!
I now know that you're not Ebuka. But I beg you, please, show us the right path. I beg you, please.
For the sake of our love, this is not the right path. But here leads to Ngene River.
Thank you very much. I am so grateful. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
May the gods of your forefathers grant you success.
Are we tired?
Yes.
Are we tired?
Yes, my princess.
We'll rest here.
Thank you, my princess.
My princess, I am getting scared. Why? Can't you see that our numbers are increasing day by day? I'm scared I don't even know who is going to be the next victim. There is no need to be afraid. From the air I inhale, I have a feeling that we are close to the river of Ngene. So we have to rest and we forge ahead. Yes. Okay? Okay, my princess. Hey, stop there. Who are you and where are you going to? And who the hell are you? Are you blind? Don't you recognize me? Can't you see how I'm dressed?
What's so special about your dress? What?
I am a princess. And from the look of things, you are just a common slave sent on an errand by a king, a queen, or a princess like me. Isn't it?
Princess my foot.
What? I said stop there! By the way, where is the river of Ngene? Answer me or I break you this minute!
Yes. She will break you and there's nothing you can do about it.
Yes. I can see that you people want my trouble and I won't resist giving it to you people.
What? We just slaughter you now. You! Strike her! This minute!
Stop! Don't come any closer.
And why do you say that? Why do you think we're afraid of him? No! Don't fight him. My princess said don't fight him.
If you're not afraid of me, cross this line.
Stop! Don't fight him! Don't! Please. I beg you. We don't want trouble. We already have so much problems already. I beg you. Please, just allow us cross over. Okay? We want to go and dance and sing for the goddess of Ngene. So she can give us the cleansing staff that can cleanse our family and generation from a generational curse. I beg you, please.
Is that so?
Yes, it is.
Do you have the 4 eggs?
Yes, I have it.
Good. When you get to Ngene River, drop them at the bank of the river. Those 4 eggs signifies the 4 market days. Which means if anyone who comes in peace will as well go back in peace. If those eggs disappear, start your song and your dance. The goddess is listening.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Grateful. Thank you. Let's go. Sorry, just take it easy. We'll get to the place soon, okay? Okay, sorry. Come on.
My princess, I think you should mind the way you talk to those who meet on the road though.
She's right. I think those are the people that will help us to get to where we are going to. But if you continue talking to them in that manner, I'm not sure we'll get to the river of Ngene.
I've heard. Let's go. The journey is still far.
Are you still going to river of Ngene?
Huh?
Yes. Yes, we are. Please, where is it?
Go down. He's there.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's go. Let's go.
Which way?
That way.
Okay. Oh! What a good music that gladdens the heart of our gods. I can see you come from far.
Yes, white woman. We have come all the way from Amokwe village. We have come to sing and dance for the goddess of Ngene. Wise one, so as to receive the cleansing staff of life. I want to save the lives of our people, so as to become the true princess of Amokwe village.
It's not necessary. I am the goddess of the Ngene.
Wise one, what do you mean that won't be necessary? That is the reason why we have come. Yes.
The other group has collected the cleansing staff.
What?
Yes. And I crown her the real princess. And nobody will stop it.
Wait, you mean she came here and she collected the cleansing staff? She collected everything? Wait, seriously, you don't understand why we are here. We have gone through terrible things before we got here. Wait, please. You can't just give her everything. You mean she came here and she took everything? Wait, please. We need something. Anything. Wait, I have lost so many girls before I got here. I cannot go empty-handed. No. No, Wise One, no. Please, Wise One. Please.
That is nothing for you. Go home. Go. Are you still here? Why did you refuse to go?
Wise One, we cannot go empty-handed. We have gone through so much before we got here. Please.
If you are insisting, I will give you what you meant for stubbornness.
My daughter. Where's the staff? Please, princess, please tell me you have a cleansing staff.
You didn't get it.
You couldn't get it. Then why all these injuries?
Your Highness, you should be happy that we came back with our lives. We lost all the girls in this journey, Your Highness.
Oh,
we couldn't get it. We couldn't get the staff, Your Highness.
Orimiri, speak. What do we do? Orimiri, speak. Is this the end? Speak.
The bright sky means that all is well. Even the gods are happy.
How can the gods be happy when we don't have this? How can the gods be happy? Orimiri. Welcome, my daughters.
Welcome, my daughter. Welcome, my daughter.
Welcome, my daughter.
The cleansing now starts. We all go for the cleansing as everyone is waiting for all of you.
Welcome, Welcome, Welcome,
Father.
Yes, my daughter.
He is here. But I've chosen to marry.
He is your heart desire. May the gods bless you, my daughter. I give my blessings today. Your union shall produce prosperity. You shall provide me an heir to this throne. Your blessed. Shall we be rejoicing, my father, today? Shall we be merriment in the kingdom?